Hi, my name's Cara Green, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect nacho. I've made these nachos ever since I was a kid, so I've had years of practice, and they are almost to perfection. 3 cheese, 3 layers, nacho heaven. Today I'm going to use mozzarella, cheddar, and pepper jack. We're going to be using some pico de gallo, and then obviously we need some chips, so we're using the scoops to get that yummy pico de gallo. First, we're going to have to put down the first layer of the chips. Now, we're going to have to lay them out pretty flat since we have 3 layers, and we don't want any plate showing because we want all the cheese to fall on all the chips. Next, we're going to have to drizzle the first cheese. This is the mozzarella. For the second layer of the chips, we might be a little methodical, cover up each chip. Next, for the second layer of the cheese, we're going to have to cut up the block. Now, I usually cut up about 8 to 10 slices, especially since we're using a big plate. Once you have the slices cut, we're going to be putting them on the second layer of the chips. Now, since it's a block of cheese, not every chip is going to be covered, so we're drizzling a little bit of the mozzarella. Once you have your last layer of the chips, we're going to be drizzling on the last cheese. This is the cheddar cheese. So make sure you cover up any last bit, because we want those chips drenched. Now we're gonna pop it in the microwave. So I usually do about 45 seconds. When it gets to that bubbly, sizzly, it's not as good. We want that nice, smooth cheese that is melted to perfection. Sometimes all of the cheese may not melt the first time, especially since we're doing 3 layers, so we're gonna have to pop it in for another 30 seconds. Then it'll be ready to serve. Pop out that salsa, grab a soda to wash it all down, invite a friend over, and enjoy.